Genesee County in southeastern Michigan. 3 p.m. A severe hour. Wind gust 45. 5 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Linden around 6:40 p.m. Fenton around 6:45 p.m. Lake Fenton around 6:50 p.m. Grand Blanc and Goodrich around 7 p.m. Davison and Burton around 7:15 p.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Atlas, Rankin, Island Lake State Recreation Area, Argentine, Conway Township, Genesee, Vernon, Juddville, Lakeland, and Chilson. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. for the following counties in Michigan, Genesee, Livingston, and Shiawassee. For the following areas: St. Clair River, Lake St. Clair, Detroit River, Michigan waters of Lake Erie. At 6:05 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from...
Almost looks like it's beginning to thunder outside here in Michigan. I just saw it's caught in the EAS a little bit a couple of minutes ago, and yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna be tuned to this. Probably in the near future if we get any more EAS alerts. Yeah. Skies are gray right now. Look at that. Let me zoom in a little bit. Yep. Skies are gray. Look at that.
The National Weather Service in Detroit audience has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Macomb County in southeastern Michigan until 7:45 p.m. At 6:36 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Livonia, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Warren around 7 p.m. Sterling Heights and Clinton around 7:10 p.m. St. Clair Shores, Mount Clemens, and Macomb Township around 7:15 p.m. 30% chance of showers in the morning. A few showers beginning near noon. Haven, Stony Creek Metro Park and Center Line. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. for the following county, Macomb, Michigan. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 7:30 p.m. for eastern Shiawassee, eastern Livingston, and Genesee counties.